is the UK's first low-carbon aviation test centre to be located at a commercial airport. It's based at Highlands and Islands Airports Limited's Kirkwall Airport in the Orkney Islands. A range of exciting technologies are being explored, including low-carbon aircraft such as hybrid electric and hydrogen, as well as the use of synthetic aviation fuels. Unmanned aerial vehicles, UAVs, are also being trialled, demonstrating real-life service demands to connect communities. As an early adopter of other low-carbon technologies, Orkney is an ideal living laboratory for testing aviation technology, offering a real-world environment with harsh weather and inter-island routes.
Orkney was the ideal place to set up this environment. There's a few reasons for that, not least of which is the buy-in from a local community. People in Orkney are really excited around renewables and sustainability. Hopefully one of the benefits of this long term will be that we manage to improve connectivity as well.
Technologies range in scale, from the smallest drones to commercial passenger planes. Airport infrastructure supporting the development of sustainable aviation testing has also been put in place. A large, purpose-built hangar fitted with charging points gives ample space for multiple aircraft and technology teams. At over 30 metres long, it can easily accommodate wingspans of up to 20 metres. Dedicated on-site offices are well equipped with superfast broadband, offering a meeting and work space for technology developers.
Windracers Ultra UAS is a twin-engine aircraft, uncrewed aircraft, that is capable of carrying 100 kilograms payload at a distance of 1,000 kilometers. It's been specially designed for transporting aid and for logistical transport in rough conditions, in unprepared runways, any environment really. It is very important for us to be able to have this test environment. We have a hangar here where we can store and do maintenance to our aircraft. We have some offices here where we can have our ground control station, where we can have all our communications equipment, so we can get our stuff ready and basically test it once we have the opportunities and the weather windows to do it. For us, it is vital to have this kind of facilities where we can come test in a safe environment, in a controlled environment.
SATE provides the blueprint for net zero regional aviation, placing the UK at the forefront of the transition to low-carbon flight.
For HIAL, its sustainable aviation test environment is the first step to a wider goal of decarbonising aviation in the north of Scotland and the islands.
SATE, providing a test centre to accelerate the industry towards net zero, where blue skies become a little bit greener.